Hey everybody, it is Mike with Drains and Things, and as you can see, I'm about to cable a kitchen sink line, and it is full of grease. So, best tool I can think of is my Milwaukee high-speed chain snake, as you can see. Look how beautiful it is when it glistens in the sunlight. And as you can see, also coming up right here, that penetrating head and that 1.5-inch cable. Oh man, it's about to do some work for me here. So here you see me running it into the line about 20 feet, nice and slow, back and forth a few times, really working that line hard. And then after that, line was pretty clear. It drained beautifully compared to what it was before. Had to explain to this customer, grease in the drain is a big no-no. Thank you, everybody.